Hello everyone. So today we will learn how to speak and write the Canada in Chinese. The Canada, largest English and largest French-speaking country, largest country completely in the Western Hemisphere by total area, second largest by land area after the United States, with the largest surface area of water. I will show you how to write it and say it in Chinese. Okay, now let's go. Okay, so I will write it in English first. Canada. And now I will write in English in Chinese. 加拿大, which means Canada. Okay, now I write it in pinyin. 加拿大加拿大, which means Canada. 加拿大. I write it again. You can learn from 加拿大. So it's easy, right? Canada. Okay, just practice makes perfect. See you next time. Bye bye.